Hello everyone, this is Kate with Scotland Marketing. Today I want to go over with you how to take a social design that you've created in Command and add that to an email campaign. So the first thing we want to do is navigate to our designs section of Command. So I'm going to head there. I'm going to go ahead and find the social design that I'd like to use. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and use the St. Patrick's Day one that we've already got created. Now those are projects we've created in our designs, not the templates available by KW. So if you need to create a design, you'll want to do that first. But I'm going to go ahead and download this to my computer, and I'm going to leave it as a PNG or a JPEG for this example, and we're going to go ahead and hit download. Now that I've downloaded that design to my computer, I'm going to go back to Command. We're going to go back to our design section and we're going to hit create design. Now from here, we're going to go into email. When you are sending an email campaign, you are only going to have email designs available to select from. So it's very important that when creating something for an email campaign, you are using this. As you can see behind this, if we were creating an email campaign, this image would not show up because it is a social design. Okay, so we're going to hit email and we're going to go to next. And I'm not going to use a template. I'm going to go ahead and hit create new. And from here, we're going to build our design. So I always like to put in the header. I always like to put in the footer. And then let's go ahead and grab image. Now, once I've done that, it's going to pop up with some photos. I want to emphasize right here that these are only images that you have previously used in an email design. Okay, so this is not showing your social designs or anything from Command. It is strictly designs that I've used on a past email design. So to upload that social design, we're going to come up here to add images, and I'm going to drag an image to this box or browse my computer files to find that image. Now I just downloaded this, so I'm going to hit the drop down and I'm going to grab that and pull it over. Okay, now at the bottom, I'll see a preview of my design and I'm going to hit save. Now that design is easily added to my email design, that I can go ahead and send this out. Now, of course, if you want to add other information, add that here. You can add text, whatever the case may be, and you are all set. If you preview this, this is how your email will look. If you preview on the different devices, you'll see that as well. Okay, so we can view all of that, this information pulling from your marketing profile, but then we could go ahead and send this out to our database under an email campaign. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team. That email is support@scotlandmarketing.com. Have a wonderful day.